guys, welcome to my channel. Manang Ozzy's here, and we're doing a card pack. After we're done, Jameson. Yeah, so let's get to it. Whoever has the best cards wins. Wait. Okay, guys, we got them. We're gonna put. It has 12 cards in the pack. Let's get to it. Oh my! What in Matrix? I just got 2 rares, guys. 2 ultimate rares. Oh, frick, my phone. I got 2 rares, so I'm winning. Oh my god, another rare, guys. Another rare, 3 rares. And he has 1 rare. 1 rare, not bad. Not bad. He has, he has 2 more rares, guys. 3. Oh, I'm gonna trade you for this one. We're gonna do a trade at the end. Oh, we got some nice cards here.
Actually, I only got 1 more rare. There's only 1 more.
Let's see, can we get any Mariners? Oh, we got the Mariners. And this.
Yeah, Mariners.
We both got some Mariners. Now, okay, it's a tie. Now we're gonna do a trade, guys. I didn't thought we were gonna end at a tie, but let's do a trade, guys. We're gonna trade for some cards, but I'm keeping my rares. I got to say these rares. I got 3 rares.
Watch your sisters.
You know how rares these? Some he's gonna keep. Okay, ready, trade?
Alright, come here. Let's go find mommy.
Okay, what are you gonna trade?
What do you have?
I got some of these. These are really nice cards here. They're all the bees. For what? For Mariners? Let me see. Yeah, I wanted this.
What do you want?
Oh, what I want? You do have a nice selection of cards, but can I have this one?
Which one did those guys going?
Let me see. What should I
Then
trade?
pick one.
Big one?
This.
Someone walked in here.
Here's a picture.
What is
Doesn't
that?
matter.
This is Rookie of the Year. I can't trade this.
My phone's still in the car.
What is that?
That's Kino. Hey, this is Short Tab. I want this one. I mean this one. For this.
I guess you guys are going that way.
Okay, what else you want? Okay, the deal. I'm just gonna trade
Make
one
sure
more
you guys don't
thing.
break anything, okay?
I want this, and I'll give you say this one. And thanks for watching. It's a tie.